Hey there, welcome back. Today we will show you how to create the income statement in a similar way as we have done it for the balance sheet. So let me show it to you. The idea is to get something like this. So where we could have the different bottom lines, some margin calculations, and a very nice and clean formatting. This is the way you will see it at the beginning. So the raw data might be coming like this, coming out of the system, right? Let me take this out. This is a group I have created before. So the first thing we need to do is to start creating some groups, as we have done it for the balance sheet. So yep, let's get it started. Insert up there, then we click on group, then we will create our gross profits, and boom. Then we will bring the expenses together. We will call them the OPEX or operating expenses. And then once we group these two with another group on top, we will call it the EBITDA line. And boom. If you don't know, EBITDA stands for the earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. And that's the reason why you start seeing every time less letters of that abbreviation once you start to go down on the income statement account. So next, it's going to be like this. Then we've got it like this, earnings before taxes. So the taxes are the only ones left to be taken into account. And then we've got the net income. And boom, perfect. Now there's also something strange here that happens if you pay some attention to it, that the revenues are coming as negative amounts, and you cannot have negative sales unless there's some accrual there, you know, being adjusted. But in general, this shouldn't be looked like this, right? Revenue negative amounts and all the expenses positive amounts. The reason for that is because many times the accounting systems are recording the amounts that are being credited, such as the revenues or any increase in liabilities or equity, as negative amounts, in order to make the distinction from the debit side of the balance sheet, which are the expenses in this case, right? A reduction in equity, basically. So this doesn't serve us very well for the P&L, but there's a quick fix for that. If we will click on the highest level of the hierarchy, and then we click there on the option that says invert sign, you will see that all the signs have been inverted underneath that hierarchical level that we have selected. So since this one was the highest one at the top, that's the reason we have selected it, and everything underneath has been fixed. And then we have it. In one click, boom. Just stay with us. In the next video, I will show you how to create the cash flow statement, which is a bit more challenging conceptually speaking. And then after that, we can start doing some nice formatting to do a proper report for your audience. Just stay with us and I will show you.